So this means either x minus 4, this term is equal to 0 or this term is equal to 0. So if you put x minus 4 equal to 0, x will be equal to 4. If we put x plus 2 equal to 0, we get x equal to minus 2. So the roots of this equation is 4 and minus 2. Find the roots of the equation. Now again 2x plus 3 equal to 0, this can be 0. This term can be 0 or this can be term can be 0. So either 2x plus 3 equal to 0 or 3x minus 7 equal to 0. So 2x plus 3 equal to 0, that means 2x equal to minus 3. That is x equal to minus 3 by 2. And this means 3x equal to 7. So x will be equal to 7 by 3. So this is how you are going to do it. But in the examination and in the home assignments, you have to do exactly like this. Find the roots of the quadratic equation. So we'll make this the factors of this quadratic equation. So what we will do here is, this is 3x square. Now 3 into 5 is 15. So minus 14 can be written as minus 15x plus x minus 5 equal to 0. Take 3x common, x minus 5 will be here. Take 1 common, x minus 5 will be here. So you get x minus 5 in this. So 3x plus 1 will remain. This will give you x equal to 5 and this will give you 3x plus 1 equal to 0. So 3x will be equal to minus 1, x will be equal to minus 1 by 3. The roots of the equation. So we have to find out the factors, then we can find out the roots. So for this is 9 to the 18. 18 can be written as 6 into 3 also. So 9x square minus 6x plus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Take 3x common here. 3x minus 2 plus 1 take common here. 3x plus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. So you get 3x minus 2. Take this outside, you will get 3x plus 1. Here, if you put 3x minus 2 equal to 0, x will be equal to 2 by 3. If you put 3x plus 1 equal to 0, x will be equal to minus 1 by 3. So these are the roots of this quadratic equation. Now we have roots of the quadratic equation. So we will try to solve it. X plus 5 minus x plus 5 here, and then minus x minus 1 by x minus 1 into x plus 5. So this will give you x plus 5. I am opening because of the negative sign. This sign will change, minus x plus 1. X will cancel, only 6 will remain. 5 plus 1 is 6. So only 6 will remain. And in the denominator we have, if you multiply these two, you will get x square plus 4x minus 5. Now 6 gets cancelled. This 7 and this here. So this will be equal to 7. This will be equal to 7. Take 7 on this side. This will be x square plus 4x minus 12. And this 12 can be written as 6 into 2. So if 4x can be written as x square plus 6x minus 2x minus 12. Take x common from here, x plus 6. Take minus 2 common from here, x minus, this x plus 6 will be there. So x plus 6 and x minus 2 are the factors. So x from here, x will be equal to minus 6. From here, x will be equal to 2. So these are the roots of this equation. Find the roots of the equation is 6x square plus 11x plus 3. Now 6, 3 is 18 and 9 into 2 is also 18. So this 6x square, this can be written as 2x plus 9x plus 3 equal to 0. So what you can do here is, you can just take 2x common from here. You can get 2x, you can get 3x plus 1, and from here you can take again, if you want 3x plus 1, you have to take 3 common from here. So now 3x plus 1, and this will be 2x plus 3. From here you get x equal to minus 1 by 3. From here you get x equal to minus 3 by 2. So these are the two roots, means minus 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 3 are the roots of this quadratic equation. Find the roots of this quadratic equation. See, 5 into 2 is 10. Again 5 and 2 can give you minus 3x. So 5x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 2 equal to 0. Take 5x common, you get x minus 1. We take 2 common, x minus 1 equal to 0. So 5x plus 2 and x minus 1 are the factors. This gives you x equal to minus 2 by 5. This gives you x equal to 1. So these are the two roots of this quadratic equation. Now find the roots of the equation 448x square minus 13x minus 1. Now we know that 6 sides are 48 and also we have 16 into 3 as 48. So you can write this as 48x square and 48 is 16 into 3. This will give you 13 also. You can write minus 16x plus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Take 16x common, you get 3x minus 1. Take 1 common, 3x minus 1 equal to 0. 3x minus 1 you can take common. You get 16x plus 1. So 16x plus 1 equal to 0. From here, if you put this 3x minus 1 equal to 0, you get x equal to 1 by 3. If you put 16x plus 1 equal to 0, you get x equal to minus 1 by 16. So these are the two roots of this quadratic equation. Find the roots of the quadratic equation. Let us bring these two here. This will be 3x square plus 11x plus 10 equal to 0. Right? So this 30, how can you write this 30? 3 into 10, 30. So 11 can be written as 6 into 5. Means 6 and 5, 6 plus 5 is 11 and 6 into 5 is 30 also. So you can write 3x square and 11x can be written as 3x square plus 6x plus 5x plus 10 equal to 0. Here you can take 3x common, you get x plus 2. Here you take 5 common, you get x plus 2 equal to 0. Now x plus 2 can be taken out. You get 3x plus 5 inside. This gives you x equal to minus 2. This gives you x equal to minus 5 by 3. So it will be 3x plus 5. No, I just have to take x plus 2. So 3x plus 2x, this is x plus 2. You take 5 common, then only you get x plus 2. So this will be minus 5 by 3. So this will be minus 5 by 3. See, this is 3x plus 5. This is 3x plus 5. X is minus 5 by 3 and minus 2 of course. This can be first made as quadratic equation. This will be 25x square plus 25x. I am bringing minus 4 here as plus 4. So this 25 into 4 is 100. How can you get something so that you get 25? See, 100 is also 20 into 5, right? So 20 and 5 can give you 25. So you can write it as 25x square plus 20x plus 5x plus 4 equal to 0. Now take from here to 5 is 25. So 5x common you take. You get 5x plus 4. You take 1 common from here. 5x plus 4 equal to 0. 5x plus 4 you take common. So you get 5x plus 1. Now put this equal to 0, you get x equal to minus 4 by 5. You put 5x plus 1 equal to 0, you get x equal to minus 1 by 5. So minus 4 by 5 and minus 1 by 5, these are the roots of this quadratic equation. Now find the roots of the quadratic equation. So what we are going to do, x minus 2 minus x by x into x minus 2. So x minus 2 minus x goes. So this will be x square minus 2x. And you have 2 here, 3 here. So multiply this 3 with x square minus 2x, that is 3x square minus 3x. 2 is already there. So now bring this 2 here. So 3x square minus 6x minus 2. So this 3x square minus 6x minus 2. See, 3 2s are 6. So you cannot have anything to make the factor. So you have to do something else. What I'm doing here is just see 3x square minus 6x minus 2. I am writing this 6x as 3x square minus 3x minus 3x, right? And now I am adding and subtracting plus root 3x and minus root 3x, adding and subtracting. Then I am writing this 2 as 2 can be written as 3 minus 1. This 3 can be written as root 3 square minus 1 square. Root 3 square is this, root 3 square is 3 and 1 square is 1. So this gives you root 3 minus 1 and this gives you root 3 plus 1. So what do you get? Root 3 minus 1 and root 3 plus 1, right? Now if you see this 3x square can be written as root 3x whole square. So I am writing this root 3x whole square, right? So here if you see this root 3x, I am taking this minus 3x and minus root 3x here. So I am taking 3 plus root 3x. I have taken these two. Now here minus, I am taking common, so 3 minus root 3x plus root 3 minus 1 root 3 plus 1. If you see that I can take root 3 common from here, root 3x minus root 3, I am taking x here. So if I'm taking root 3x, it has to be root 3 plus 1 inside. See, root 3 into root 3 is 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. And root 3 into 1 is root 3. So 3 plus root 3 can be written as, if you take root 3 outside, it has to be root 3 plus 1. Similarly, I'll do with this one, root 3x I'm taking common. It has to be root 3 minus 1. See, root 3 into root 3 is 3. And minus sign. And root 3 into minus will remain. So root 3 into minus, this root 3 into minus 1 is root 3. So I have to take root 3x common. And we already have this thing. So let me write it here. Root 3 minus 1 and root 3 plus 1. Now from these two I am taking root 3x common. Root 3x common. But this is root 3x square. Remember. Root 3x common. So root 3x, if I am taking common, from here root 3x and from here root 3x. Okay. So root 3x will remain here 1 and this will be minus root 3 minus 1. Okay, root 3x I have taken common. This root 3x will come here and this will be minus root 3 minus 1. And I'm taking root 3 minus 1 common here, from here. Root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus, this root 3 minus 1. So minus root 3 minus 1, what will be there? Root 3 x minus root 3 and minus root 3 minus 1 if I take root 3 minus, see minus is there, so it will be root 3 minus root 3 minus 1. Okay. So if you see that root 3x minus root 3 and minus 1 is there, and when I took root 3 common from here, root 3x common from here, then also I get this root 3 minus 1 common from here. I get root 3x minus root 3 minus 1. So I can take these two common. So this will be root 3x minus root 3 minus 1. And what will be inside? Root 3x. This is negative, so it will become positive. Plus root 3 minus is root 3 and this will plus 1. So what do we have? Root 3x minus root 3 minus 1. And then we have root 3x minus root 3 plus 1. This is minus root 3. Because it is minus sign, so it will be minus root 3. This will be minus root 3 and this will be plus 1. So we have, if you put this equal to 0, that is you get x equal to root 3 plus 1 by root 3. And if you put this equal to 0, you get x equal to root 3 minus 1 by root 3. So this is how x will come. Find the roots of the quadratic equation. So this will be x square minus 1 equal to 3x, because x will remain like this. So we have x square minus 1 by x, so this will be 3x. So x square, bring it here, x square minus 3x minus 1. So what we are trying to do here is, first of all, x square minus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. So I am writing this minus 3x as, or you can say 3 as minus 3x, 3 by 2x minus 3 by 2x. See, minus 3 by 2x and minus 3 by 2x, if you add them, it will be minus 2 into 3 by 2x. It will be minus 3x only. So I can write it as minus, I can take a minus common and plus inside. This can be written as 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 x, and this 1 I can write it as, see, this is minus 1 actually. So minus 1 I can write it as minus 4 by 4, because this will be minus 1. So minus 4 by 4. Minus 4 I can write it as 9 minus 13. And this 9 minus 13, 9 can be written as 3 square. And this can be written as under root 13 whole square. Okay, it will remain like 9 minus 13 only. Therefore, so this can be written as 3 minus root a square minus b square. So a plus b and a minus b. And this 2 will be here, 2 will be here. So I can write this minus 1 as 3 plus root 13 by 2 and 3 minus root 13 by 2. This I can write. So what I can do, one more thing here, that I have to add plus root 13 by 2x and subtract root 13 by 2x. So this all is root 13, 13, 13, 13. All is 13 here. Okay. This all is root 13. So I hope you got this idea. And also I can write here minus 1 as this 3, and this because we have taken minus 1, so I have to put plus here. So 3 plus root 13 by 2 and 3 minus root 13 by 2. Okay, now I'm taking, you have to take these certain things common, that is x square. If I take this, if you see this one, I can combine these two, that is x square minus 3 by 2 and 13 by 2. So 3 plus root 13 by 2 x. I have combined these and this. And then if you take this one, this will be minus, this will be 3 minus, if I take minus 3 minus root 13 by 2 x. So I took these two and I took these two, and this will remain. But here, if I just write 3 plus root 13 by 2 and 3 minus root 13 by 2. If I take x minus 3 plus root 13 by 2 and x minus 3 minus root 13 by 2, if you multiply these two, you will get exactly this one. You have to do it by yourself. So if you multiply these two, you will get exactly this one. So this we can write always, this whole I can write it as x minus 3 plus root 13 by 2 and x minus 3 minus root 13 by 2. So when you put this equal to 0, you get x equal to 3 plus root 13 by 2. When you put this equal to 0, x is equal to 3 minus root 13 by 2. So these are the two solutions of this quadratic equation, or roots. Now find the roots of this quadratic equation. So what we'll do, x minus 7 minus x plus 4. So x minus 7 minus x minus 4, x goes, minus 7 and minus 4 is minus 11. Now x plus 4 and x minus 7, this will remain in the denominator. Now 11 by 30. So what we can do here is 11 gets cancelled. So it will be minus 30 equal to this one. That is x square minus 3x minus 28. Bring this here. So x square minus 3x minus 2. You can make the factor. It will be x minus 2 and x minus 1. So you get x equal to 2 and x equal to 1. These are the 1 and 2 are the roots of this quadratic equation. Now a square x square minus 3abx plus 2b square. What you can do here is this 3abx can be written as, or minus 3abx can be written as minus abx minus 2abx. So this is exactly what we have done. 3abx can be written as minus abx minus 2abx. Now take ax common from here, ax minus b will remain. Take 2b common from here, ax minus b will remain. So this ax minus b now you can take common. This ax minus 2b will remain. So this equal to 0, x will be equal to b by a. This equal to 0, x will be equal to 2b by a. So these are the roots of this equation. 4x square plus 4bx minus a square minus b square. So what you have to do here is this 4b. See, listen to this 4b. I can write it as 2. If I write 4b, what do I get? Because what you have to do here is, this is 4x square. 4bx can be written as c. If I write 2a minus b, or you can write plus 2b minus a. What do you get? This 2a minus 2b plus 2b minus 2a. So you get 0 all around. But if you write this as 2b minus a plus 2b plus a, right? What do you get? 2b minus 2a plus 2b minus 2a. 2a gets cancelled. This will be p plus a, sorry. So 2a gets cancelled. 2b becomes 4b. So you can write this as 4x square. 4b you can write it as 2b minus a, that is 2b minus a plus 2b plus a and x, right? Plus this one, a square minus b square. So this will be a square minus b square. I can write it as a minus b and a plus b, right? So let me just expand it. It will be 4x square plus 2b minus a x plus 2b plus a x plus a minus b, a plus b. So what can I do here is, I can take 2x common from here. 2x will remain plus 2b minus a. 2 already I have taken, so b minus a will only be there. So 2x will remain and 2x taken, so b minus a. If I take b plus a common from here, will be 2x. So b plus a I have taken common, so a minus b. Okay. So now you can take this 2x plus b minus a. It doesn't matter because you can just say it as minus and you can write it as a minus b. It doesn't matter, right? So it will be 2x. I'm taking 2x plus I'm writing it as b minus a as common. What will remain? 2x b plus a. 2x plus b plus a. Okay, I have taken these two common. It will be 2x plus b minus a and 2x plus b plus a. From here you get 2x equal to minus b minus a. Here you get 2x equal to minus b plus a. X will be equal to, you can write it as a minus b. A minus b, we get 2. And here you can write it as x equal to minus b or minus a minus b by 2. So these are the two solutions of this equation. Ax square plus 4a square minus 3bx minus 12ab. So what you have to do here is just open it. Ax square and 4a square x. So you can take a square plus 4x a square x. This will be 3bx minus 12ab. You can take ax common from here. You get x minus 4a. You take minus 3b common here. X minus 4a. So ax minus 3b and ax minus 3b and x minus 4a. So ax minus 3b. This is 3b and x minus 4a. This gives you x equal to 3b by a. This gives you x equal to 4a. So 3b by a, this is 3b by a. Please remember. So 3b by a and this 4a are the roots of this equation. Now x plus 3 by x plus 2 equal to 3x minus 7 by 2x minus 3. Just multiply them. X plus 3 and 2x minus 3 and x plus 2 and 3x minus 7. You will get this equation. Just rearrange this. You get x square. This minus 5x, eventually it will be x square minus 5x. It is, let me write it, x square minus 4x minus 5. This is the equation. So you can write minus 4x as minus 5x plus x, and this will be minus 5. You take x common from here, x minus 5. You take 1 common from here, x minus 5. So you get x minus 5 and x plus 1 equal to 0 as the factor. So this will give you x equal to 5. This will give you x equal to minus 1. So 5 and minus 1 are the roots of this equation. That is, first for what we are going to do, we are going to make this as a quadratic equation. Multiply 2x with x minus 3 like this. Multiply 2x minus 5 with x minus 4 like this. And the denominator x minus 4 and x minus 3 will be there, multiplication. So this will give you 2x square minus 6x like this. 2x square minus 4 to the 8x minus 5x and plus 20. So when you just add this 2x square, 4x square, minus 6x, minus 5x, minus 8x will be minus 19x, and then 20 will be here. This will give you x square minus 3x minus 4x plus 12. So x square minus 7x plus 12, and this will remain 25 by 3. Multiply 3 with this, multiply 25 with this. So this is the equation, just rearrange. You are going to get the equation like this one. So 13x square minus 118x plus 240 is our equation. Now here, this 118, how we can write this? See, 240 into 13 is equal to 78 into 40. And this 78 into 40 and 40 is going to give you 118. So what you can do here is, for minus 118x, you can write minus 78x minus 40x. Take 13x common, x minus 6. Take minus 40 common, x minus 6. So x minus 6 take common, it will be 13x minus 40. From here you get x equal to 6. From here you get x equal to 40 by 13. So these are the roots of this quadratic equation. Same thing here. That is, multiply x with x minus 3, x plus 3. Multiply x minus 2 with 1 minus x. And then multiply x with x minus 2 in the denominator. So here you get x square plus 3x. Here you get x square, this x minus 2x plus 2x. So just take this value and change the sign because minus is here. So when you open the bracket, you have to change the sign. Here you get x square minus 2x, 15 by 4. So this will be 2x square, x, 3x minus x is 2x, 2x minus 2x, this gets cancelled. It will be only x square, 2x square plus 2. Here x square minus 2x, multiply this by 4, multiply this by 17. The equation will be like this. So here we have 8 9s are 72 and 36 into 2 is also 72. So you can write minus 34x as minus 36x plus 2x. You can take 9x common, x minus 4. You can take 2 common, x minus 4. So this will be x minus 4, you can take common, it will be 9x plus 2. So it will be 9x plus 2 and x minus 4. This gives you x equal to 4. This gives you x equal to minus 2 by 9. So x equal to 4 and minus 2 by 9. These are the solution. Or these are the roots. Same thing here. X minus 1 here, 2 into x minus 2 here, and x minus 2 into x minus 1 in the denominator. So you get this one. Now after solving this, multiply this by x, multiplying this by 6. So ultimately you have to solve this. The solution is in front of you, but the quadratic equation should come like this: 3x square minus 13x plus 12. Now 3 into 12, that is 9 4s are 36. 3 into 12 is also 36. You can write 13x as minus 9x minus 4x. Take 3x common, x minus 3. Take minus 4 common, x minus 3. So you have 3x minus 4 and x minus 3. So from here you get x equal to 3. From here you get x equal to 4 by 3. So x equal to 3 and x equal to 4 by 3. These are your roots. Find the roots of the quadratic equation. This will be x plus 1 whole square minus x minus 1 whole square. Here you have x minus 1 into x plus 1. So this x plus 1 whole square is x square plus 1 plus 2x. This x minus 1 whole square will be x square plus 1 minus 2x. And this will be, of course, a plus b, a minus b. So a square minus b square, that is x square minus 1. You just open it, x square plus 1 plus 2x minus x square minus 1 plus 2x. This gets cancelled, this gets cancelled, only 2x and 2x will be 4x. So multiply this with 6, multiply this with 5. So you get a quadratic equation like this. So now you can write 5x square minus 24x minus 5 minus 24x can be written as minus 25x plus x. Take 5x common, this will be x minus 5. Take 1 common, x minus 5. So this will be 5x plus 1 and x minus 5. From here you get x equal to minus 1 by 5. From here you get x equal to 5. So minus 1 by 5 and 5, these are the roots of this equation, which finally is the quadratic equation. Again same thing, x minus 1 whole square, 2x plus 1 whole square, you have to add them, and in the denominator you have 2x plus 1 and x minus 1. So what do you get? Multiply them. This x minus 1 whole square is x square minus 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 whole square is 4x square plus 4x plus 1. And this 2x plus 1 and x minus 1 multiplied, you get 2x square minus x minus 1. Now this will become 5x square plus 2x plus 2, and the denominator remain the same. Multiply this with 2, multiply this with 5, and you get a quadratic equation like this. But if you see, this is 10x square, this is 10x square, so this gets cancelled. Only this 4x plus 4 will be equal to minus 5x minus 9. Bring all it here, it will be 9x plus 9. See, 4x plus 5x is 9, 4 plus 5 is 9. So 9x plus 9 equal to 0. You can take 9 common, this is 9x plus 9 equal to 0. 9 common, x plus 1 equal to 0. Either 9 is 0 or x plus 1 equal to 0. 9 is not 0, so x plus 1 is equal to 0. X becomes minus 1. This 1 minus 1 is the only root of this quadratic equation. Here m by n, x square plus n by m equal to 1 minus 2x. So what we are going to do here is, we have to multiply, the simplest thing is multiply both sides by m into n. So m by n into mn x square plus n by m into mn equal to, this multiply by mn is mn, and then 2 mnx. This will give you m square x square. This will give you n square, and this is of course mn. So bring this mn here, minus mn. I'm bringing it here, and this is minus 2 mnx. This will be minus plus 2 mnx. So the equation is m square x square plus this 2 mnx minus mn. So what we can write here is, see, this n square minus mn. N square minus mn and 2 mnx here. Now this 2 mnx can be written as, first of all, m square x square will remain like this, and 2 mnx can be written as mnx plus mnx. And this n square minus mn, n square minus mn, see, this n square mn can be written as n square minus mn under root whole square, because it will be mn only. And this is a square minus b square, so it can be written as a minus b, a plus b, that is, this is, we can write this as n minus root mn and n plus root mn, right? a square minus b square can be written as n minus root mn into n plus root mn. So m square x square, I have written 2mnx as mnx plus mnx. Now I am adding and subtracting two things, that is m under root mn x I am adding, and this also I am subtracting, minus m root mn x, right? So now see, this one and this one, take these three and take mx common. If you take mx common from here, it will be mx. If you take mx common here, it will be n. If you take mx common from here, it will be under root mn, right? Now this you have taken from here, from all these, because this you already taken. Now if you take these two, it will be mnx minus m under root mnx plus this one. Here if you see, if I take n common, it will be mx, or what I can do here is, because I want to take n minus root mn common, so I will take mx common from here. So when I take mx common, I have done this, okay, this is already done, so this I just leave. I'm talking about mnxn minus m under root mnx, so I'm taking mx common here from these two, mx common here. What do I get? N remaining minus root mn, because mx already I have taken common. Now this will remain plus n minus under root mn and n into n plus under root mn. From these two now, I am taking n minus under root mn common. So n minus under root mn common. What do we get? Here is mx, and here we have n plus under root mn, right? This was already there, and this is now after this. From these two, take mx plus n plus under root mn common. That is mx plus n plus under root mn common. What do we get? Mx plus n minus under root mn. See, these two are the roots. This one and this one are the roots. Just put this equal to 0 and this equal to 0, you will get the solution. So when I put this equal to 0, that is mx plus n plus root mn equal to 0, I get mx equal to minus n minus root mn. X will be equal to minus n minus root mn by m. When I put this equal to 0, mx plus n minus root mn equal to 0, mx will be equal to root mn minus n. So x will be equal to root mn minus n by m. Or you can write this also as minus n plus root mn by m, this one. And this is already this one. Now the next question is, find the root of the quadratic equation, this one. So let us do it. X minus a whole square plus x minus b whole square, and the denominator we have x minus b into x minus a, and this is going to give you a square plus b square by ab. Let us open this. X square plus a square minus 2ax, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here also x square plus b square minus 2bx. Here we have x square minus ax minus bx plus ab equal to a square plus b square by ab. Now this will be x square is 2x square. Then we have minus 2ax and minus 2bx. So let us take 2 minus 2x common. So we get a plus b from these two. And here we have a square plus b square. In the denominator we have x square. Take ab here. Take x common here. Minus x, a plus b. I am taking minus x common from here. So a plus b plus ab. a square plus b square by ab. Now let us multiply this with ab, multiply this with a square plus b square. So this will be 2 into abx square, means ab, multiply each element by ab, minus 2 abx a plus b, then we have ab into a square plus b square. So multiply a square plus b square with all these, so a square plus b square, you have x square, then you have minus x a plus b and a square plus b square, then we have plus ab a square plus b square, this one. Now you see this and this are same, so we cancel it out. This will be 2abx square, I am taking this on this side, so be minus a square plus b square x square, then we have this one minus 2abx a plus b, I am bringing this here, so plus x a plus b and a square plus b square equal to 0. What we can do here is we can take certain thing common. We can take from here x square common. So what do you get? 2ab minus a square minus b square. From here you can take minus a square plus b square minus, you can take a plus b common, right? So what do you get? Minus a plus b x common, a plus b into x. So a plus b x we have taken, a plus b x we have taken. So what will remain? This will be 2ab, and this will be minus, again minus, this will be minus, and if I take minus a plus bx common, it has to be minus, right? Minus a square plus b square. Okay, so this will be, I'm taking minus common from here, these two, so it will be minus plus plus and minus outside. So this will be minus x square, and this will be a square plus b square minus ab, so a minus b whole square. Again I am taking minus common from here, it will be a plus b x minus, I am taking common from here, it will be a square. See, this will be, if I am taking minus common from here, it will be a square plus b square in plus and plus 2ab. So it will be a plus b, no, this will be a, this will be minus a square minus b square. Again I am taking this common, minus common, so minus will be a plus bx, so this will be minus 2ab, taking common a square plus b square, and this will be minus 2ab. This will become plus and this will become minus because I have taken minus common. So this again will be a minus b whole square, so this will be minus x square a minus b whole square minus a plus b x, and here a minus b whole square. Now take x minus a minus b whole square common from both of these, so it will be, or you can take minus a minus b whole square, this a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square, and x also. So we are taking x a minus b whole square common, minus also you can take. What do you get? Here you get only x, and here you get minus ab, a plus b, minus a plus b. Minus goes, it doesn't matter. X, either x is equal to 0, because minus 1 cannot be 0, a minus b whole square cannot be 0, so x has to be 0, or x minus a plus b has to be 0. So x minus a plus b has to be 0. This will be x equal to a plus b. So x equal to 0 and x equal to a plus b, this is the solution. Now here we have already done this type of question, so we'll take x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4 as the denominator. When we take the denominator, or you can say the LCM, so this will be x minus 1, x minus 2, we'll just leave these two and put others on the numerator, that is, this will be x minus 1, x minus 2, this is only 1 x minus 3, right? Only 1 x minus 3. This is not there. Okay. Now, when you take this one, you just take these off. Others will be x minus 3, x minus 4. For x minus 2, x minus 3, take these off. Others will be x minus 1 and x minus 4. For x minus 3, x minus 4, take these off. So x minus 3, x minus 4, take it off. So only x minus 1, x minus 2 will remain. Now, x minus 1, x minus 2. Now in this, if you see, you take x minus 1 common from here. From here. If I take x minus 1 common, what will remain? X minus 4. I have taken this common and this common. So it will be x minus 4 plus x minus 2. This will be 2x minus 6. Take 2 common, this will be x minus 3. Right? So it will be 2x minus 3, x minus 1. From these two, take x minus 3 common. So if I take x minus 3 common from here, you get x minus 4 here and 2 into x minus 1, that is 2x minus 2. So what do you get? X minus 3. X 2x is 3x and minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6. You take 3 common from here. So x minus 3 common and x minus 1. And what is in the denominator? X minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 and x minus 4. So x minus 3 cancels, x minus 1 cancels. Only the thing will remain is 3 by x minus 2 and x minus 4. And this will be equal to 1 by 6. So what do we get? 3 by x minus 2 and x minus 4. X minus 2 and x minus 4, okay. X minus 3 and no 2. When we take 3 common, it will be x minus 2. So x minus 2 and x minus 2 gets cancelled. X minus 3 cancel. So x minus 1 and x minus 4 will remain, right? So you get, this is 18. 18 will be equal to x minus 1 into x minus 4. See, this is x minus 3, x minus 2. X minus 3, x minus 2 gets cancelled. So only x minus 1 and x minus 4 will remain. That is how. So this will be x square minus 4x minus x plus 4 equal to 18. This will be x square minus 4x minus 5x is minus 4x minus x is minus 5x. And when you bring this here, minus 18, 4 minus 18 is minus 14. This is 7 2s are 14. So x square minus 2x and also plus 2x minus 7x minus 14 equal to 0. Take x common, x minus 2. Take, you can take 7 common from here. So it will be x plus 2 minus 7. So x minus 7 and x plus 2 are the roots. So x from here, x will be equal to 7. From here, x will be equal to minus 2. So 7 and minus 2 are the roots. So this is the solution in front of you, what I did just now. X square minus 5x is 14. So minus 5x minus 14 minus 5x I written as minus 7x plus 2x. I took x common from here, x minus 7. I took 2 common from here, x minus 7. This is another method. Means same thing will come, x minus 7, x plus 2. X will be equal to 7 and x will be equal to minus 2. 7 and minus 2 are the solution like this. So 7 and minus 2 are the roots. Find the roots of this equation. So x square plus 2ab, let us take it here. X square, this here, minus 2ax minus bx plus 2ab equal to 0. I took this here and expanded it. So x you can take common from here. You will get x minus 2a. You can take minus b common from here. X minus 2a equal to 0. So x minus 2a and x minus b are the factors. This will give you x equal to 2a and this will give you x equal to b. So this is how we are going to do it. Just bring it here and just take these two and these two, and take x common from here, take b common from here. You will get x minus 2 and x minus b. 2a and b will be the solution. Now a plus b whole square x square minus 4abx minus a minus b whole square. So for this a 4ab you have to write, see, if I write a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, what do you get? This is a square plus b square plus 2ab. This will be a square plus b square minus 2ab. If I expand it, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus a square minus b square plus 2ab. This get cancelled. This will be 4ab. So for 4ab, I am writing a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, right? So a plus b whole square x square. For 4ab, I am writing a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. This is for 4ab, and x will be there always. And then we have minus a minus b whole square. Let me open it. A plus b whole square x square minus a plus b whole square x, and then we have plus a minus b whole square x minus a minus b whole square. Take a plus b whole square common from here, a plus b whole square x. So you get a plus b whole square x. I'm taking a plus b whole square x common from here. So x will remain. I've taken this common, so x minus 1 will remain. Let us take a minus b whole square common from here, a minus b whole square. What do we get? X minus 1. Now take x minus 1 common from here, x minus 1. We get a plus b whole square x, and then we have a minus b whole square. This is a minus b whole square, right? A minus b whole square. So either this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. So this will give you x minus 1 equal to 0. So x will be equal to 1. And this means a plus b whole square x plus a minus b whole square equal to 0. So a plus x will be equal to, I'm taking this side, minus a minus b whole square, and this in the denominator. So a plus b whole square. So a minus b by a plus b, you can write this whole as a minus b by a plus b whole square in minus. So this is the solution and this is the solution. Find the roots of the quadratic equation. So just open it. ax square plus a, open this also, minus a square x minus x equal to 0. Ax square. Take a common from here, a. You get ax plus 1. And take x common from here. You get ax plus 1. So a minus x and ax plus 1 are the factors. This will give you a equal to x, that is x equal to a. This will give you ax plus 1 equal to 0. So x will be equal to minus 1 by a. X equal to a and x equal to 1 minus 1 by a are the solutions. So this is x equal to a, x equal to, this will be minus 1 by a. Please remember, it will be minus. If ax minus 1 you are taking, if I take minus x, it will be, see, ax, if I take, it will be ax plus 1. And this will be a minus x. So x equal to a and x equal to minus 1 by a is the solution. Minus, it will be minus 1 by a. Even if you do like this or this, is going to be same. See, I'm just doing it in another way. This is ax square. See, ax square plus a minus x, a square minus x. So if I take ax common from here, it will be x plus a. If I take minus 1 common, minus, I have to take ax I took common from here, and then, okay, see, these two and these two I'm taking now. Ax square minus a square x, and this plus a minus x. So here I can take ax common. This will be ax minus, this will be ax, so it will be a minus x, right, plus a minus x. Now I'm taking this, I have taken 1 here. It will be ax, a minus x I'm taking common. You will get ax plus 1. This will be plus 1, right? This will be plus 1. Remember, this will be plus 1. So this will give you x equal to a. This will give you x equal to minus 1 by a. So it will be minus 1 by a, minus 1 by a, minus 1 by a. Both ways. Even if you take this side, means these two together first, or these two, the answer is going to be the same. A and minus 1 by a. Now find the roots of the quadratic equation. So only one thing we have to do here. We have to write 1 as a into 1 by a. So if I write x square plus a, let me open it, ax plus 1 by a into x plus 1 can be written as a into 1 by a. Now I'm taking x common from here. What do I get? X plus a. Now I'm taking 1 by a common from here. What do I get? X plus 1 by a taken, x plus a. Now take x plus a common from here. You get x plus 1 by a. I've taken these two common, so x and 1 plus a will remain. So from here you get x equal to minus a. From here you get x equal to minus 1 by a. So these are the roots of this equation. The only catch here is one has to be written as a into 1 by a. So it will be 1 by a and minus 1 by a. So this is minus 1 by a, minus 1 by a, and 1 and minus a. Find the roots of this quadratic equation. So here also we will take this one, a b x square, then we will just open it, plus b square x minus acx minus bc equal to 0. So what you can do here is you can take bx common from here. If you take bx common, what do you get? Ax inside. You take bx common, so b will remain inside. Now also you can take, because we need ax plus b inside, what do you have to take common? C. See, if you take c also, c common, it will be b remaining. Now ax plus b you have to take common from these two. What do you get? Bx minus c. From here x will be equal to minus b by a. From here x will be equal to c by b. So these are the solution. Find the roots of the quadratic equation. A square x square, b square x square plus b square x minus a square x minus 1. Now from here you can take b square x common, because if you take b square x common, see, I'm taking b square x common from here. What will remain? B square x I have taken common, so a square x will remain, and b square x, so only 1 will remain. Now I'm taking minus 1 common from here. What will remain? If I take minus out, it will be a square x plus 1. Now I'm taking a square x plus 1 common here. A square x plus 1. What do you get? B square x minus 1 inside. This will give you x will be equal to minus 1 by a square. This will give you x equal to 1 by b square. So this is the solution, minus 1 by a square and 1 by b square.